Hello there, today in the script bit I'm going to be showing you how to use for loops and what they can be used for. So, first to test the first case of using for loops, I'm just going to create a part here in the workspace and I am going to add a script into it. So, there are two ways to create a for loop. The first is to make the for loop through a table, and the second is to make the for loop count, which is the simplest type, which I'm going to show you right now, and then I'm going to show you the next one. So, to make a for loop, you first write for, and then you want to make your index variable here, and you can set that equal to the amount that you want to start at. So, I'm going to say 2, and you can put a comma, and you can put the number you want it to go up to, which for me is 10, and then you can click enter, and you can just print this I variable here, and this loop will count from 2 to 10, so we just run the game, then you get it to count 10 for you. And so if you add a comma after here and write 0.5 and now run the game, it shall count in 0.5s. So that this value here is the increment of how much it will count to 10 from 2 to, and you can also make the increment negative if you make the number it starts at bigger, and if you want to make it count down. So as you can see here, it counts down to 2 from 10. So I'll show you the second type of loop. So I'll just create 3 parts over here, and so I'll rename them to different names. And so if we just group them as a folder, we can put the script in the workspace. And to loop through these parts, we would do another for loop, and so it'd have the index key, and then the object variable, and then you can go in pairs, and then in these brackets you can go game dot workspace dot folder, go on children, and this will loop through these parts here, and we can print the object's name, and so we'll get a list of the names, so we'll get red, green and blue, and so our loops work perfectly. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.